Hi friends, in this lecture we will discuss about the State Public Service Commission. In the last lecture we had discussed about the Union Public Service Commission. Most of the things of the UPSC and SPSC is same, but there is little differences between them. So in this video we will discuss how State Public Service Commission works. As we know that each state has its own State Public Service Commission, and the articles and functions of the articles are same, and articles from 315 to 323 of the Indian Constitution and in part 14 of the Indian Constitution tells about the State Public Service Commissions. If you haven't watched the last video of the UPSC, first watch that video, then you can easily understand the State Public Service Commission, because in the previous video I had discussed about the functions of the different articles. Like the UPSC, the SPSC is a autonomous constitutional body and it operates under the guidelines of the Union Public Service Commission. SPSC is composed of the members, chairman and other members that are appointed by the governor of the state. The number of members is not fixed and not mentioned in the Indian Constitution, but around 9 to 11 members are there, and their tenure is 6 years or 62 years of age. But in case of UPSC, the age of the chairman and other members is 65. This is the difference. Here you can see the 62 years of age, and in case of UPSC the age is 65 years and tenure is same in both UPSC as well as in SPSC. The SPSC is responsible for the recruitment exams for state services, advises on the promotion, transfers and disciplinary matters, recommend matters related to civil service rules, but it is not responsible for the training of the bureaucrats, because the training comes under the Department of Personnel. And secondly, if two states are wanted to join a single joint public service commission, that is not comes under the rule of constitution, this matters goes to the parliamentary systems. And the removal of the chairman or other members can be done only by the president. Appointment can be done by the governor of the state, but the removal of the chairman and other members can only done by the president on the basis of their misbehavior and other terms and conditions that we had discussed in the UPSC member slide in the last video. There are certain questions that had been asked in the previous year. The question number first that had been asked in 2021. Consider the following statement: the governor of a state appoints the chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission. Second one is, the qualification for the members of the State Public Service Commission are laid down in the Constitution of India. Which of the following statements are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, second only. Option C, both one and second. Option D, neither one nor two. This question had been asked in prelims 2015. With reference to the State Public Service Commission, consider the following statements. 1. The chairman and the members of the State Public Service Commission are appointed by the president. Second, the conditions of the service of the members cannot be varied to their disadvantage. Which of the statements are correct? A, one only. B, second only. C, both one and second. D, neither one nor two. Kindly give your answers in the comment section. Further, if you have any query related to this topic or any other topic, you can ask me in the comment section.